Hello aspirants, this is me Yasmin Gill presenting to you the PIB MCQs of 29th of January. So do follow all these videos on this particular link, plus you can also rate and review the course. So please friends, as soon as the video ends, in case you find the course is beneficial to your studies, please help us in achieving the required mission by rating and reviewing the same. So let's begin with a couple of instructions. Do watch yesterday's PIB summary, plus do not forget to rate and review the course, and also as soon as you do all these questions, do mention your scorecard. Beginning with the first question, starting from January, put these tennis tournaments in chronological order. That is the initial one starting from January, which is the initial one you have to put in the first place, and the later one in the last position. A. Australian Open, B. Wimbledon, C. US Open, and D. French Open. So we have been doing at least one question daily based on these Grand Slams. So well, the correct answer is as shown in the next slide. So it is Australian Open. Initially it is held in January. If you look at French Open, that is the second one, it is held in May, June. Wimbledon in June, July, and lastly we have US, that is held usually during August, September month. So we here have A, D, B, C as the correct answer. Next, what is section 126A of RPA, that is Representation of Peoples Act 1951, related to? Corrupt practices, opinion polls, use of religion, language, etc. during campaigning, or D, none of these? So see, section 126A is in use, and well, the correct answer to this question is none of these. Why? Because section 126A, it relates to exit polls. So what has happened is Election Commission in all the poll bound states have actually asked the states to stop exit polls from February 4th to 8th of March. So the section reads as such that exit polls cannot be conducted and publicized by means of print and electronic media or dissemination in any other manner. Next, what is true of section 144 of CRPC, that is Criminal Procedure Code? A. It relates to unlawful assembly. B. It prohibits gathering of 4 or more persons who carry firearms or other weapons. C. Maximum punishment for the same is 3 years. So see, section 144 is also in use, and well, the correct answer here is A and C. Why? Because it is a gathering of 5 or more which is prohibited. So it is in use. Even the section was used last year as well, be it the Kanhaiya case or be it the Pattidar community or the Jat agitation case, and simultaneously also currently it is also being used in Marina Beach protests, etc. So hereby we have A and C as the correct answer. Next question. Which among them is not an American state to be touched by Mexico? So US-Mexico border in use. So options here are A. New Mexico, B. Arizona, C. Texas, D. Mississippi, E. California. So well, the correct answer to this question is only D. So hereby only Mississippi is the state which doesn't touch Mexico. Rest, there are only 4 states which come on the border of Mexico. One is New Mexico, other is Arizona, then we have Texas, and lastly we have California. So hereby only D is the correct answer. Next, which state has come under limelight for its Public Safety Act? Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Nagaland. So correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir has come into lot of limelight because of the detentions it has conducted due to the Public Safety Act. Next, which among them is true of Public Safety Act and its provisions? A. Any person can be detained under it without trial for a period of 3 to 6 months. B. The lower age limit for detention is 16 years. C. The detention order is issued by state police. D. A person detained can approach High Court for relief. So see, correct answer is first one. See, first one is absolutely correct. From 3 to 6 months the detention can be there. B is wrong. See, initially the lower age limit was 16 years, but then on via an amendment it was revised to 18 years. So nobody under 18 can be actually detained. If you look at C, detention order is issued by state police. This is wrong. It is issued by district magistrate after the recommendations of police. And D is obviously correct. A person detained can approach High Court for relief. So we here have A and D as the correct answer. Next question, where is Sukhbatar Square located? Thailand, Malaysia, Mongolia, China. So correct answer to this question is Mongolia. So just check out this word Batar. Even Mongolia's capital is Ulaanbaatar. So why is it in news? Because it has recently seen protests against air pollution which has been rising, particularly in winter months in Mongolia. Next, which among them is correct? A. Next Summer Olympics are to be held in Tokyo. B. Next Winter Olympics are to be held in Beijing. C. Both of them are correct, or D. None of them is correct. So see, correct answer here is only A. So coming Summer Olympics are to be held in Tokyo, while the Winter Olympics, the coming venue, that is 2018, is in South Korea's capital city, and if you look at Beijing, it is the venue for another winter games that is to be held in 2022. Next, which state or states of Northeast does not border Bangladesh? Assam, Sikkim, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura. So though we usually encounter such question, particularly this one, it's again in news. And well, the correct answer is C. Assam does border, Sikkim doesn't border, West Bengal it does, Meghalaya it does, Mizoram and Tripura both border. So hereby only B, that is only Sikkim is the state which does not border Bangladesh. Next, where is the opening ceremony of T20 World Cup for the blind to be held? Bengaluru, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai. So this is directly from PIB and the correct answer is in Delhi. So the closing ceremony is to be held in Bengaluru while the opening is to be done in Delhi. So friends, that is for today. In case you find the initiative useful, please do not forget to rate and review the course. Thank you so much.